Okay, very good morning to everyone. It's been about 2 months since I've did a repair video because I was busy with my USA tour. So I'm just back. So this is the first device I'm working on once I'm back. So this is a 2020 M1 MacBook Air. 2337 is the model number, so which came in with not turning on. Okay, so now let's start measuring. Let's check with the PP bus first. Is there a short on PP bus? No, PP bus isn't shorted. Let's check for 3V8 AON. Oh, there is a short on PP3V8 AON. So 3.8 volt always on signal is shorted. It's almost dead short to ground. So now what we'll do, we'll inject 1 volt into this line and check under the thermal camera. So the thermal camera is set up. Setup is done. And I have set the voltage to 1.5 volts. And it's almost heating up to 2 amps. So there's something boiling hot on the motherboard. So let's just see what's causing that short. So here we go. Ha! We got it. 3V8 AON capacitor is short. I'm just moving the motherboard around. And yes, this is the cause of the problem. So let me just remove the capacitor. So the capacitor is out, the shorted component is out. This is the one if you can see in the camera. So now let's just check, is there any short to ground now? Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, open line. The line is open. Short circuit is gone. So now let's just see if it is going to 20 volts or not. Let's connect the charger, the power supply. Here we go. Yeah, 20 volts and 12 milliamps. The board is fixed. I'll just put this board back in the casing and get back from there. Yes, the assembly is done. Everything is fixed with all screws intact. So let's check. Now I'm putting the power. Let's just see if it goes to 20 volts and MacBook starts. Oh, started. 20 volts, 600 milliamps. Yes, it has started. Let's just cover the client's name for privacy reasons. Oh yeah. MacBook fixed. Another day, another win. A win for the Monday. Battery is also charging at 2 amps. Feels good getting back to normal. Happy customer, happy me. That's all for today. Have a nice day ahead. See you soon.